Is your washer not starting, stopping mid-cycle, or acting unpredictably? The issue could be related to the main control board. The main control board is the washer's central command system. It controls wash cycles, coordinates communication between components, and ensures the machine operates properly. When it malfunctions, your washer may display a variety of performance issues. Before replacing the control board, let's go through a few troubleshooting steps. First, check the power supply. Make sure the washer is securely plugged in and receiving power. Inspect the power cord for damage, and test the outlet with another appliance. Power-related issues can often appear similar to control board failures. Next, check the display for any error codes or flashing lights. These indicators can provide important clues about the source of the problem and help determine whether another component is causing the issue. Now, inspect the wiring connections. Disconnect power to the washer before proceeding. Examine the wiring harnesses connected to the control board, and look for loose connections, damaged wires, corrosion, or burn marks. Poor electrical connections can prevent the board from communicating with other components correctly. The next step is performing a reset. Unplug the washer for about 1 minute, then reconnect the power and test the machine. Sometimes a simple reset can clear temporary electronic faults and restore normal operation. If the problem continues, inspect related components such as the lid lock assembly, motor, drain pump, and sensors. A failure in one of these parts can create symptoms that resemble a faulty control board. If you've checked the power supply, wiring, reset the washer, and inspected related components, but the issue remains, the main control board may need replacement. For high-quality replacement main control board or other washer parts, visit HnKParts today for top-quality replacement parts with expert support and fast shipping across the United States. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more appliance repair tips. Thanks for watching.